Mix word problems with comparing and ordering numbers and special patterns. Word problem steps. Remember cubes. C. Circle the numbers. U. Underline the question. B. Box the keywords. E. Evaluate and draw. And finally, S. Solve and check. Tyler has 49,862 Robux. Eugene has 50,188 Robux. How many more Robux does Eugene have? Let's follow our word problem steps. Circle your numbers. Underline your question. Box your clue word. Now we can evaluate. So here we know that Eugene has more Robux than Tyler. But we want to know how many more Robux Eugene has. So what we will do is we will use a number sentence for our strategy. We will subtract. 50,188 take away 49,862. 2 ones from 8 ones leaves 6 ones. 6 tens from 8 tens leaves 2 tens. 8 hundreds from 100s cannot work, so we go over to our thousands column. It still cannot work, so we go to our 10,000 column. We rename our 5 10,000 as 4 10,000. Go back to your thousands column. You now rename your 10,000 as 9,000. Go back to your hundreds column. You now have 11 hundreds. 800 from 1100 leaves 300. 9,000 from 9,000 is 0. 4 10,000 from 4 10,000 is 0. So we know now that Eugene has 326 more Robux than Tyler. This chart shows the new alive customers. On Saturday, 214,386. On Sunday, 10,001. On Monday, 918,306. And on Tuesday, 5,222. On which day did Alive have the fewest new customers? Whenever you are comparing your numbers, always line your numbers up as displayed on the chart. We can clearly see that on Tuesday, there were 5,222 customers. So on Tuesday, Alive had the fewest new customers. If the number of customers decreased by 673 on Monday, what will be the new number of customers? If we combine Monday and Saturday customers, what would be the total? Let's follow our place value steps. Circle the number. Underline the questions. Box the clue words. Now let's evaluate. In the first sentence, it says that Monday's customers was decreased by 673. It is asking for the new number of customers. It is indicating that we subtract. In the second sentence, we notice that both of our clue words combined in total is indicating that we add. We will add Monday and Saturday customers together. The strategy I will use for this problem is a number sentence. 918,306. Take away 673. 3 ones from 6 ones leaves 3 ones. 7 tens from 0 tens cannot work, so we go to our hundreds column. We rename our 300s as 200s. Go back to your tens place. Now you have 10 tens. 7 tens from 10 tens leaves 3 tens. 600s from 200s cannot work, so we go to our thousands place. Rename our 8,000 as 7,000. Go back to our hundreds place. Now we have 1200s. 600s from 1200s leaves 600s. Bring down your 7,000. Bring down your 110,000. Bring down your 900,000. New number of customers on Monday is 917,633. 917,633 plus 214,386. 3 ones plus 6 ones is 9 ones. 3 tens plus 8 tens is 11 tens. We put down our 110 and we carry our 1 over to our hundreds column, which is now 100. 100 plus 600 plus 300 is 1000. Put down our 0 hundreds, go to our thousands column, and we carry our 1. We have 1,000. 1,000 plus 7,000 plus 4,000 is 12,000. Put down your 2,000, go over to your 10,000 column and carry your 1. We have 1 10,000. 1 10,000 plus 1 10,000 plus 1 10,000 is 3 10,000. 900,000 plus 200,000 is 1100,000. So the total number of customers on Monday and Saturday are 1,132,019. Alive introduced a new phone on Tuesday. It cost $602. Alex gave the cashier $700. How much change did he receive? So here we need to find out how much change Alex received, so we will subtract. $700 take away $602. We will start subtracting from the smallest place value, and the smallest place value here is the hundredths place. Notice the digits in the hundredths place are zeros, so we put back our 0 in our hundredths place. Go to our tenths place. Both digits in the tenths place are zeros as well, so we put down our 0. Remember to put back your decimal point. Now we're at our ones place. 2 ones from 0 ones cannot work, so go to the tens. Still cannot work, so go to the hundredths. Rename our 700ths as 600ths. Go back to our tens place. Rename our 10 tens as 9 tens. Go back to our ones column, and now you have 10 ones. 2 ones from 10 ones leaves 8 ones. 0 tens from 9 tens leaves 9 tens. 600ths from 600ths leaves 0 hundredths. So we know that Alex received $98 in change. Arrange the number of new customers in descending order. Remember, descending order means we will arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Look at the chart. Which number is the largest? Yes, 918,306. Which number is the second largest? 214,386. Which number is the third largest? 10,001. And the smallest number is 5,222. Anya says that 21 cannot be a rectangular number because it is a triangular number. Is she correct? We know that a triangular number is a number that can make up a dot pattern forming a triangle. Let's take a look at this diagram. There are 21 dots. Now let's look at a rectangular number. A rectangular number is a composite number. 21 is a composite number. Take a look at this diagram. There are 3 rows and 7 columns. 3 times 7 is 21. Back to Anya's theory. She is wrong because a rectangular number is 21 and a triangular number is 21. Lori is playing with triangular numbers. She thinks that all triangular numbers can be arranged to make rectangles. She tries with 15 and it works. Let's look at the pattern of dots. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. Let's look at the pattern of dots for the rectangle. 3 times 5 equals 15. If Laurie tries with 21, can this triangular number be arranged to make a rectangle? Let's go ahead and see. Okay, we have a triangle here with a pattern of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 21, and a rectangle displaying 3 times 7 equals 21. So yes, it works for the next triangular number 21. But remember, boys and girls, not all triangular numbers can be arranged to make rectangular numbers.